Okay, so today we're back with the Jeep. We are finally getting rid of one of the problems that has plagued me from day one. My 2020 Jeep Gladiator came with a bed cover. That bed cover leaks like a sieve. Whenever it rains, I get water inside the bed, so it's kind of a pointless scenario where I store stuff back there and it gets wet with the cover on it. I had enough. Time to replace it. Osias is a company I found online. They have a new division of tonneau covers. This is the trifold hard tonneau cover. We're going to unbox it, install it. It'll be a quick video. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll link to the descriptions of everything below, as well as check out their website. They specialize in high performance fuel pumps, fuel injection systems, and a whole bunch more. I'll put a list of stuff right here just so you can get an idea, but go visit them. It's a great site. They've been very helpful. So let's dive right into the install. I'm going to back the Jeep in. I'm going to take off the old cover. We're going to put on the new one. In and out in 5 minutes. So step one's pretty easy. Remove the old bed cover. Undo the 2 latches. Take out the front bracket. Comes right off. So in the accessories kit, you have the foam you need for that top behind the cab rail. You have some additional hardware, some additional stickies, and these are the clamps that'll lock in underneath. But first step is to apply foam padding. You want to clean off the rail just behind the cab. Just gonna use a little alcohol, rag, and wipe it down real quick. For a good seal between the cover and the bed, there is a rubber gasket on the bottom here. You want that aligned right in the middle of your weather stripping that you put down earlier. So slowly work this up to the cab and get it to fit nice and square. You also want the clips on the bottom facing the cab. Once everything's lined up, you can undo the clips and you can open the trifold for a dry fit. So underneath you have a clip. You want to drop it down. The hook will go right underneath the metal, and then you can tighten it right up. Repeat on the other side. The last step is to do the same here. You drop the clip and you slide it back to where you need it. Align it in the open position, horizontal. Under the lip, fold it down, and it's locked in. Repeat the same on the other side. So this cover does have an added little bonus. Underneath, right next to the passengers and the driver's side rear, there's an LED panel. Reach under, press the button, and you have lights. It's a big time bonus because at nighttime or under these covers, it's pitch black. So press the button and you lit up. So this is the Osias Trifold Hard Bed Cover. Check out their site. Everything will be linked down below. You've reached Mitz from Level Up Bassin. Appreciate you watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.